Hello bumblebees and ladybirds. Okay, so today we are going to carry on looking at the OR sound, and so far you've learned that you can write it like this, O-R, like in the word for. I got some flowers for you. Mr. Cheetham taught you how to write it like this, O-R-E. Do you remember? Like in the word war. I wore some trousers. And today we're learning about a third way that we can make the OR sound, and it's like this. It's a trigraph. It is O-U-R. Now this is a funny one because this is actually a word itself. It says hour. Okay, so our birthday, our shoes, our chocolate bars. Okay, so that's like it belongs to you, our. But when you see it in some words, it's kind of a tricky sound because actually it's pronounced or. Okay, so let's have a go at reading some words with this trigraph that says or. Good. Okay, so let's read this one first. Okay, so we've got P, or, good, poor. And I like to remember this one because what you can do, if you see a word that's got O-U-R, you can try it both ways. So you could say P, hour, power. No, that doesn't look right. Or P, or, yeah, that looks better. And another really secret way is to think about this U as being a little ghost, little silent ghost, so it doesn't make a sound. So P, or, poor. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a go at reading the next word together. I'll just rub that line out because we do want to see it. Okay, so have a go, read it out loud. Ready? We've got K, or, T, court. Good. The kings and queens were in the court. Fab. Let's try one more. I'm going to make it a really tricky one. Okay, ready? Ooh, look at that one. Okay, have a go at reading that. You might want to pause the video. Ready? Let's do it together. So we've got F, or, T, een. Amazing. Well done if you managed to read that. That is the word 14. Okay, so I want you to have a little go of doing some spellings now. Okay, so I'm going to say some words and I'd like to have a go at spelling them. And as you're doing that, I'm going to write them down too, and then we can see what happens at the end. We can mark them together. Okay, so the first word I'd like to write is 14. We just had a practice of that, didn't we? 14. Good. Okay, the next word I'd like to have a go is court. And the next word is pour. Pour. I got some cream from the jug and I had to pour it onto my pudding. Pour. And you ready for a really long one? Okay, this word is tournament. Tournament. We played a game of tennis at a tournament. That's a really hard one. Okay, so let's have a look together. Please do not worry if you don't get them right, because these are tricky. We're just having a go, aren't we? But the best thing to do is, if you didn't get them right, to write them again a few times. So if you didn't get it right and it doesn't look like mine, that's absolutely fine, because that's what we're here for. But then I would say maybe write it 3 times, just to make sure that you get lots of practice. Okay, so the first word was 14. So we've got 14. Good. Tick if you got it right. And have a little practice if you didn't. Good. The next word was court. Court. Good. The next word was pour. Pour. Good. So this is like if you're pouring something out of a jug or a jar, not as in a dog's paw, like a little dog's paw, and it's not as in oh, poor him, the dog has a poorly paw, poor him. Okay, this is like you're pouring something. And the last word, woohoo, look at this one, is tournament. Okay, so there's our or trigraph, tournament. Wow, well done if you managed to get all those ones right. That was amazing. Okay, so you've got a sentence to write now, and listen carefully because your sentence will be, you will be 14 on your birthday. You will be 14 on your birthday. Okay, can you whisper in your hands? You will be 14 on your birthday. Have a go at writing it. Should we have a go at writing it together? Okay, so you. So I've got a capital Y because it's the start of my sentence. You. Y-O-U spells you. Good. You will. Good. It's a digraph at the end. You will be. We've got a tricky word. Be. You will be 14. So we've practiced that a few times now today. So 4 O-U-R 14. Good. You will be 14 on your another or. Good. On your birthday. And then the A. Good. I'm going to do an exclamation mark at the end of mine. Good. So let's see. So we've got tricky word, you. Good. Another tricky word, be. 14. 14. Good. On. Yeah. Or your birthday. Wow, you will be 14 on your birthday. Amazing. Well done, ladybirds and bumblebees. Give yourself a high five.